Alright, bet. Yo, what's good? Back with another video. It's my third video now, I think. I don't even know. Fuck, I already had a script of what I was gonna say. I completely forgot everything. Fuck, let's just go with it. What's good? Back, riding. Damn, I really don't know what to say. I hate fucking YouTube intros. It's so cringe. I'm gonna just stop doing it. Actually, I'm gonna just again, I said I was gonna do this last video maybe. Just let me just make the video and don't say shit. And y'all just load it up and you're just, am I right, like POV. I thought about doing that. I immediately felt like, nah, maybe I should say something, but it's cringe, bro. I don't like it. I'm gonna probably just start doing that from now on. I'll just say what's up when we're riding and then just turn on the camera. That's it, we'll call it there. But yeah, for out riding, it's almost sunset in like 30 minutes maybe, so we might catch that. Actually a little more than that, like an hour, so might be a chill sunset ride. Who knows? I actually do want to ride chill. I be riding too fucking fast sometimes. So today, I plan on actually just keeping it chill. We'll see if I can keep that promise to myself, because I can't guarantee that. But I'm also not going to do too much talking today. I don't feel like it. I'm going to probably just ride. It's just going to be like a POV. I'm yapping too much right now. So I'm going to shut the fuck up and just ride. We'll cut to this when this fucking light finally came in. It's been taking a while. The night light was too fucking long, bro. Holy shit. Oh, a cops is down there sometimes. I shouldn't be driving this fast today. Whatever. Tight little squeeze, but we good. Actually, I'm gonna probably turn in the next one, so I should probably get going. Yeah, that's a nice house truck, bro. Tire's cooked, bro. I mean, it's my fault. I cook it, but grip, bro. I'm not even heavy on the gas. Well, I mean, I kind of am, but you know. Like I said, I wasn't gonna yap. I'm already yapping too much. Alright, we'll call it yapping here. Just ride for a bit. Bro, what the fuck is on your wheel? Sorry, that's yap worthy. What the fuck is on your wheel, bro? But he got newspapers covering his wheel. I'm just, you know what? I'm not gonna ask questions, bro. To each their own. Maybe he thought it. What is he? I don't know. Like, there's no practical use for that. Whatever. Alright. Bro, go already, fuck. This fucker's mad, bro. What are you mad at? God, people... No fucking patience. Literally none. Like, just wait, he'll go, bro. Okay. Pulling over. Got it. Do I want to go down there? Not really. Actually, you know, let's go down there for a bit. Yeah, the sea is beautiful, bro. Why does that thing sound so fucking nice? Let me just sit behind this guy, bro, because it sounds nice, so I'm chill with it. Did you just say Lamborghini? I think you did. That's funny. Do I want? You know what? I'm gonna go there. Fuck it. Beautiful C8 though. I fuck with those. I like my first choice of like cars in that price range, but they're nice for sure. Alright, now we just chill.
One eternity later.
Oh, our stream with dirt.
A few moments later.
This video is going to be a lot of sitting at red lights. Actually, I'm going to just cut all these out because it's just boring. No one is spending their time watching me sit at a red light. I would be bored as fuck. I wouldn't watch that video. I'd get bored. I'd click off. Please don't click off, actually. Please. I swear I'll get more exciting later. Maybe. No promises, though. That's my fucking red light. That's scared for a second, but nah, it's like cop another one. What's that? That's not a cop. Alright. Problem with city riding when you're a responsible individual who doesn't run red lights. fastest day to race, imagine. What is this, an X4M? This is nice. Oh, you're the best. What? Thank you, bro. Nice car. I like it. It goes like 100? But I need to close my visor, bro. That's Joe. That thing's nice, bro. What is this? Oh, it's not light on it. I got scared. No, okay. It's not like cover or anything. Fuck. Yo, that X4 is fast, bro. What the fuck? We're cooked, bro. We're cooked. Alright, we're good. Visor's closed. Well, the best out of around chill. What the fuck happened to that? Get too excited, bro. Alright. Yeah, if I didn't keep that to the first year long, it was all the right shit. Yeah, fuck that, bro. Fuck that. I'm back, bro. God, dude, earlier. That's funny. I was hitting some like industrial roads because there's nobody here, so I can just like fly at top speed. Apex that bitch. Oh, trust me. Hey, hey! I don't know if y'all saw that, bro. Bro's doing reusable supermoto. Damn, I want to run the back guy now. So run the right. Is he been back up there? Yo. What? What about you? That's fire, bro. No, I'm gonna dodge! I'm gonna left, bro! Yo, You're a nice wheelie draw, it's tough.
Alright?
You're a nice wheelie draw, it's cool.
Still learning.
You're doing good though. Straight ran the light. I'm gonna cut here actually. Just so I can run the light. I actually didn't know I have no plan of where I'm going. I turned the bike path because fuck my helmet. Oh my. Okay, I fixed my helmet. But alright, I'm gonna probably. Where am I gonna go now? I'm gonna probably go right actually. Let's do this trip. I don't get the dog sounds right. He seems chill. Hey, good! No, I don't know this guy. Okay. I recognized him for a second, like, not a scooter, but I did know dude, or something like that. This has been eventful, bro. This has been fun. Yeah, there's a specific place I was going. I'm not even anywhere close to that. I took a completely different route. I saw going to Supermoto, I'm like, yo, let me run the light and catch up to him. And now I'm completely different route than I was originally taking, but it's whatever. This has been fun though. I might call it here though. This has been a good ride. It was eventful. Going to Supermoto, that C8 was tough. I fucking X4, but that thing was moving. Yeah, I'm gonna probably call it here. Thank you all very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.